الله بعد كل شيء، الله قبل كل شيء، الله بعد كل شيء.
نعم، أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. ابوالمال Sala from Ghana, and actually today being my first day coming to Pakistan, and I have nothing to say but rather to thank Allah first, and also thank the organizers, particularly the government of Pakistan, for organizing such a beautiful program, a program of Qur'an. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to bless us all and grant us success. Thank you so much.
Allah Ar-Rahman